Welcome to the Wow Party Art tutorial for our custom vinyl sign kit. We will demonstrate how to apply your sign to solid surfaces like wood or foam, as well as how to apply signs to fabric. Let's get started. Each kit includes your custom vinyl sign, glue dots, and a scraper. You might also need a pair of scissors and double-sided tape. Please note that these are not included with your kit. The sign consists of 3 layers: the white backing, the vinyl letters, and the clear transfer tape. If you would like to rearrange the order or change the spacing, you can cut your sign into smaller pieces. Let's learn how to apply the sign to a fabric backdrop. We recommend stretching the fabric to be as taut as possible. This creates a firmer surface. To use the custom vinyl sign, we start by gently removing the white backing. The vinyl letters will stay attached to the clear transfer tape. Now, let's apply the sign. We recommend having a friend hold something flat and firm on the other side of the fabric to create a sturdy surface. You can use anything flat and solid, such as a book or clipboard. Place the sign on your backdrop. Use your hands or the scraper to flatten the vinyl and adhere it to your fabric. Now, slowly peel off the transfer tape while holding the vinyl with your other hand. If the vinyl does not stick to your fabric, use the glue dots provided with your kit. Glue dots are like double-sided tape, but better. If the vinyl adheres to your fabric, you won't need them, but we've included them just in case. You can even cut the glue dots into smaller pieces so they stay completely hidden behind your vinyl. Place the glue dot behind your vinyl sign. Now, press the vinyl onto your fabric. If the provided glue dots are not enough, you can also use double-sided tape. And that's it. We've successfully applied our sign to the fabric backdrop. Now, let's learn how to apply your sign to a solid surface, such as wall, door, wooden fence, or foam backdrop. First, flip the sign over and gently remove the white backing. Now, let's apply the sign. Ensure your surface is clean and dry. Now, place your sign onto your surface, then press the vinyl down with your hands or the scraper. This helps the vinyl adhere to your surface. Slowly peel off the transfer tape. Hold the vinyl down with your other hand as you peel. If the vinyl does not stick to your surface, use the glue dots provided with your kit. And that's it. Your custom vinyl sign is ready to go. Thank you so much for joining us, and good luck with your creations. We can't wait to wow you.